What's going on, Squeaky Lighthouse fam? It's your girl Squeaky, and I'm back with a mukbang video. Okay, y'all, and today I have the zesty cheese bread, and I have the pepperoni cheese bread. Oh, excuse me. I got this video from another content creator. The only thing is they had sausage. Our Little Caesars didn't have the sausage today. Not to mention no one else in this house eats sausage except for me. So I didn't want to get the sausage. So I had to get the cheese. But this is my first time trying the cheesy bread with the pepperoni and the zesty. I'm assuming that is something new. So here, y'all get a bite. Look at it. Smell good. Smell like they got some little herb stuff on here. Happy day to you all. I hope that you all are having a wonderful, an amazing day. It's giving you gotta keep chewing. And the edges is kind of crispy. But it's good. There's nothing but a cheesy bread. I have pepperoni. And I didn't want the marinara sauce that comes with it. As a dipping sauce. I didn't want that. The mozzarella is giving chewy. But it's good. I love the garlic and herb. And the butter. It's real buttery. I'm kind of like scared to taste this zesty one, y'all. Look at it. Y'all see the little sauce? Oh, I got pepperoni all in my nail, make my nails look dirty. I don't do no dirty nails. That's my pet peeve, baby. That nail clean. That comes from me pulling off this cheese. Okay. Well, I guess I'll taste this zesty one. I should have got some ranch and put on this pepperoni one. The pepperoni bread is so good. I like the bread. It's giving. Okay. First time trying this zesty one. It's giving. I'm eating over a table. And I'm still getting. It's not nasty, but I don't know what the flavor is of the zesty sauce. It's like a zesty sauce. It's not hot, but it's different. It's like nacho cheese with I don't know, like a little zest to it. I got. Hey King, Kingy King. You want this? What did you just eat? I can only eat 2. It's good though. It's good. If I was to compare them, I'll do the pepperoni over the zesty cheese. The zesty sauce is all right, but the pepperoni is better. But it's good. If I was to rate them individually, the pepperoni will be like about an 8, 9, 8. And the zesty one will be like a 6 because I gotta get a better feel of the zesty sauce. But it's good though, y'all. Y'all go try it. The new Little Caesars cheesy bread with pepperoni. And the new Italian zesty cheesy bread from Little Caesars. It's like $6 where I'm at. Not bad at all. Would I try it again? Yes, I will. But is it something that I could just go buy and eat every day? Not at all. But it's good though. I'm full and I got stuff to do, so I will catch y'all later. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Peace.